Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about loops and we will write some programs on loops. So the question is, write a C program to find the sum of a series. The series is given as like this. First term of this series is 2, second term is 5, next is 8, and we have to find the sum of this series up to n terms. So let's write the program, starting with our header file and our main function. Then we know in C program we have to declare the variable at the starting of the program. So now we are declaring whenever in the program question, uh, if we have to find the sum of series or we have to display any series up to n terms. So for that we have to take input that how up to how many terms we have to move. So for that we take a variable of int type. The variable name is n. Now we have to take first term of the series in a variable. Let we take a and store 2 in it. That is the first term of the variable of the series. That is first term of the series. That is the first term of the series. Now as we are moving to n terms, so for that we have to take a counter variable. Let's take a counter variable as we have taken first term. So now the term is 1, and as we are finding the sum of this series, so we have to initialize a variable for sum and put it 0. Now taking the input from the user that up to how many terms they want to find the sum. So enter value of n or enter number of term. Now scanf for getting the input from the user and store it in the variable n. Now we have to do what? We have to add the terms and put it into the variable sum. So this is our logic. That is, if term, that is I is counting the term, it is less than or equal to n, then sum will be sum plus a. Okay. After this, a will be incremented by 3. We can see the difference, that is in between every term of this series the difference is 3. So a will be a plus 3, and we are moving to next term, so I will increment by 1. Now this block of statement will be run until I becomes less than or equal to until this condition goes false. Okay. So as this process repeats, so for that we have to use loop. So for loop we use while. We have discussed earlier that there are 3 types of loops in C programming, that is while loop, for loop and do while loop. So now I am just telling about while loop. So the syntax of while loop is like this. Now After terminating from this loop, we have our sum in the variable sum. So now print the sum, that is sum of series is %d, return 0, which indicates that our program has been successfully executed. Now I saved it and now running this program. You can see there is no error. The program is successfully compiled, and now I'm entering the value number of term, that is 5. So the sum of the given series up to 5 term is 40. Okay, thank you.